Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations. Today I'm going to do a complete flip through of my now finished needlebook. So I finished this yesterday. This is a slow stitched project that I started last year, I think it was. Might have been about this time last year or maybe just before Christmas, I can't remember. But it's now finished, so I can use it as a needlebook. So I thought I'd do a flip through of my finished book and show you what's inside. So I've sewn on a piece of the same crochet trim. So that's the back. Actually, what I'll do is I'll zoom you in a bit closer. Come down a bit there, or maybe there. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll push that out of the way. So I've just done a simple closure. I was going to do like a belt buckle, but I thought that'll be a pain to be opening and closing all the time. So we will open it up and I'll show you the full piece of the cover. So that's what the back, that's what it looks like as a whole piece. So that was done first, and then so I've got a little label. I've done a few fancy stitches. I've embellished lots of the bits of fabric. See if you can see that there. So there's French knots, that's all embellished. I've sewn on little pearls around there, cross stitches, some running stitch, lots of pistol stitch. I stitched on this little flower, and there's another matching piece sort of up there. Some more crochet trim, hundreds of French knots, and some buttons, they're vintage buttons. So that's the cover, and then on the inside we have, okay, so this is the front inside pocket which I've sewn in, and then I made this little slow stitched heart again with lots of stitches and a button. I've put my little stalk scissors in there, there's magnets in there, so that holds my scissors in. And then what I've done and put in this pocket is a little card that shows that I've written on what's their purpose. So for each needle, what each needle's for. I've just put an eyelet in there with a little bulb pin, and there's nothing on the back yet. So that just lives in there. And then I've got all my pages. So we've got tapestry. So I stitched all around the pages to join the pages together. I've put some little wonder clips on this side of the trim. Tapestry, quilting, beading, crewel needles, sharps, milliner needles, darning needles, curved needles, chenille, embroidery, and then I've just put some dressmaker pins on this back page. And then that's also a pocket, so I've just stuck a card in there for reference to the pocket. I may stitch up here to divide that and make another pocket. I'm not sure yet. I don't know what I'm going to put in this back pocket. And then there's another side of the trims again. So I am so happy it's all done. I stamped all of the words with a alphabet stamp and stitched them onto a piece of fabric, and then stitched the fabric onto the page, and it is all done. I absolutely love it. So it will be put to great use now, and it's not a project anymore, it is a completed project. So what I'm going to be doing next in relation to this, I suppose, is adding it to my finished projects junk journal that I made, which is this one here. So these are using Tracy Fox's digitals. So I've just decorated, put a little bit of trim on, sewn the signature in. Again, a simple cover, simple closure. And then I will be adding the details to my journal about my project. So I've printed a photo on glossy photo paper of some photos that I took of the journal. So there. And then I'll be creating a layout for that. So that will be another video, but I hope you enjoyed that little wee flip through of my needlebook. And now I can get on to my other slow stitching projects, which I'm doing the Journal of Stitchery from last year, I think it was, or I don't know, I'm so confused. So yeah, I need to get on to that one. And then I've got a new Facebook group, so if you're interested in joining the Facebook group, it's for all crafts, not just slow stitching. It's called Friends of Calm Creations, so you can search it in Facebook, or the link is down below. And one of the ladies in there said that she was working on a new stitchery project for this year, which is by Vintage Blend Studio. So I went and had a wee look at that, and that looks really fun too, but I'm trying to contain myself. So, but if you want to join the group, there's a few questions that you must answer, and then I can add you in. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.